All right, so we're going to do exactly what the Nearpod said to do a 2-digit by 2-digit addition problem while using this app. So we're first going to switch over to the non-complex side, which is without this little number line things, and then we see all of our manipulatives. So then we need to do, we have to make our problem. So I think we should do 84 plus 63. All right. So we don't have the answer for that yet. So the first thing we need to do is to make 84. So we know that the green ones are 10s and the small ones are 1s. So we'll need 8 of the green ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure I counted correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. And then we'll need 4 of the yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle that, bring it over, flip them. All right, so here's our 84, and now we'll need to make 63. So same thing, we'll need 6 of the 10s, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there we go. And then 3 of the 1s, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. All right, so we have all of the numbers in the manipulative set up. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to put all the small pieces together, the yellow pieces, and all the green pieces together. Okay, and then I'm going to hit circle them all and hit the little combine box, which leaves us with 147. So that is actually our final answer for 84 plus 63. So we'll add it in up here, 147. And then a good way to check this is that when I can circle the green, or circle the 100 box, the red box, and I hit break down, there we go, is all of the greens that we had before. So I could take away 2 of these right here. And then there we go. We have the problem exactly how we started off.